Yeah, a bit of light over me. So, got that far so far. Um, Part of the video that I was filming crashed on my iPad here. It took the footage, and then when I went to save it, it just said, "Oh, file corrupted." Great. So I missed some of the sawing, the router work that I did on the cabinet. So recap so far. Cabinet is down here. I'll just take you over here. Bear with me a minute. Cabinet is now on the floor. So it's still clamped. This piece here still clamped because this hasn't been attached as yet. But I've now done the shelf. So you can see the shelf is in there. You see the shelf? So the shelf is now cut to size to go on the top. This part that I just showed you will fit in between the two, and then I'll have a sliding drawer to put things on, as well as a shelf underneath it. So that's my aim anyway. So put you back over there. So that's my aim anyway. So I'm now going to finish off screwing this side panel on, and I've also done the top panel is ready, the shelf for the inside part, and the bottom panel. So the bottom panel, I'm using a much thicker piece. I think this is about an inch thick. 25, yep, it's an inch thick. 25 on the old centimetres, 2.5, 2.5, much thicker, and that's because I'm going to be putting casters on. These are the locking ones. Got two of these. A nice plastic. So nice plastic, nice locking mechanism on it. Easy to keep it locked. So when I'm using it, it'd be great. So that's going to go on the thick part. So I'm going to get on with that. I'm not going to film that, and then I'll come back to you when I've done those parts. Four wheels. Four wheels. All done. So I'm going to leave that there now. I'm not going to do any more. I'm going to muck about with the drawers and the shelf at the top there now, and I'll see you later. Okay, now I've completed this rolling cart now. Had a bit of a pain with it, but there you go. I'm just going to take you off the stand in a minute and give you a quick glimpse of it. So just bear with me a minute. I'll take you over to it. So here we have one rolling cart. See, I've now put a shelf in here. Cleaned off the what's it. I've now got my drawers in here. I can keep my stuff in there. No doors or anything. And just pop you down there a minute. And just put you there. And I've got 2 racks of chisels here. Sort of lying around the place, but now I can just slide them in there like so, and like so. There we go. So I now have a place where I can put them in. So quite pleased, really. At the top here, in the top bit where I put the drawers, I'm going to put some of my lathe tools, i.e. the chucks and stuff like that on here. Don't know what I'm going to use this for, but there we go. It works, that's the main thing. Bit stiff, but it's functional. So, pleased with that. 2 locking bolts on the bottom. Helps me keep the feet locked. So, quite pleased. So, just put you back over there in my tiny little shop. Oh dear. So, quite pleased with it. On top of this, I'm going to put my little bandsaw, because I'm fed up with having to go right down there to come up to it and then put it back down there. So I can just keep it on there. It'll go in that space just behind me, and I'll have somewhere to put it. So I'm quite pleased with it. It's come together. It's really rough, but who cares? It serves a purpose. That's the main thing. So there you go. Thanks so much.